In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can force update Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings, and you have to click on Windows Update on the left pane. So you can do that from here. Okay, you can do that from here. I have a pending restart, but you can do that from here. You can check for updates from here. But if you really want to push through, like force an update for your Windows 11, then you can simply do that. So open a browser, and then once you open a browser, simply search for Windows Update Assistant. Now, once you search for Windows Update Assistant, in the list of results, you will find this one from www.microsoft.com. Download Windows 11 Microsoft.com, click on that, and then you'll find this from here. Just simply click on the Download Now button, and the Windows 11 Installation Assistant will be downloaded. Click on Open File, okay? So here, the device is already running the latest version of Windows 11. You can use Installation Assistant to help install the next features update when it's available. So because I'm already updated, it stays like this. But if you're not updated, the latest, like the updates will be stated from here, and you need to push through and just follow the next instructions on. Then that's it. It will really help you, the Windows 11 installation assistant. And then once you're updated, then you can simply go back to the Windows update on the settings window, and you will check, or you will find out that your Windows is updated. It will state from here Windows is up to date. Okay? So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.